Lights.
Oh, you rolling? Okay. We are
Camera.
rolling. Action.
Yo, frère Pam. What's good, family?
Longtemps about. Oh.
Then when last time I seen you?
Yo, probably TS dinner.
Okay.
Which is oh damn, is that a whole year or no?
That's already been a year because the second one just passed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I think I seen you at the movie release for
Oh ouais, c'est parti.
for kidnappings.
Ouais.
Yeah, we was all over there.
Ouais.
Yeah. Good to see you, my boy. Always love. Vous avez
musique.
Moi, je suis en appliqué, dog. On fait musique pour essayer de lever de après toujours.
Et puis,
Mon cher, puis I'm gonna get back into my racing soon.
Ou c'est celle nèg depuis m'pa l'avant gonzo quoi gérer.
Ah, ou connaît.
Que son tête qui cassé, que son pied, que son bras.
Yo, me casse tout dans net déjà. Me casse pied à toi à côté, me casse bras à toi à côté. Me casse là déjà, I broke everything already.
Damn.
But pile fois bah ça arrivé puis le retourner, it's like a revamped version, you feel me? It's like the superhero had to go through it to get through it, you feel me? But it's blessings though, it's blessings.
How's the music?
It's good. I got the studio popping lately, been cooking. What you cooking lately?
I'm trying to finish songs.
Yeah?
I have a whole bunch of vibes. Now I'm focused on finishing them pour sortir une des l'autre.
Nice.
Monsieur m'a posé la même question. Freedom, qui l'a sorti un album, qui l'a this, qui l'a that.
Mon cher me décide de me la un album photo. Ouais, ma travail d'eau. Ma besoin sur l'album quand même.
Ouais.
Ma besoin sur lui.
Et au contraire, how did you start? I'm a big fan from way back. We go way back.
You my brother from day one.
But for pas comme une histoire like how
histoire. So moi me go kap moi, right? So like depuis le petit moun petit m'a chanté like première musique me chanté me quoi c'était l'embarras soleil là.
Okay.
Like so way back and then I became a DJ.
But so, wait, pour qu'il soit chanté like
c'est just
like what was the spark?
I'm son petit moun qui just chanté depuis le
so you've been singing as
always sang. Like I sang before I spoke.
Oh, damn, okay.
Yeah. So from like as I grew up kind of like everybody that people was listening to became my vocal teachers. You feel me? Because I ain't never had no vocal teacher. So if I'm listening to whatever's going on, that ended up being the people that.
But you started singing music that already existed.
Yeah.
And then what like how did you start doing your own stuff?
And then I start DJing.
Uh-huh.
So when I start DJing, I start ingesting a lot more music. And then my brother Fausto pull up on guitar. Non, moi si pendant sous boulevard d'Abekan et puis moi Fausto cap jouer une guitare. Et puis m'chita beaucoup monsieur et puis depuis là ça nous commencer à écrire musique ensemble.
Non, c'est.
Ouais. Feel me? Et puis tout bail continuer and then we ended up starting a group together and then probably like I did my first album was like the first show I probably was like 12 years old. And probably brought out like 1,500 people when I was 12 years old.
12?
Yeah.
Yo, damn.
Way back. And then fast forward, I go to Port-au-Prince, because I was in OCOP. When I got to Port-au-Prince, it was a different energy. You know what I mean? That's when I start ingesting the more raw version of freedom. Feel me? Because I was a hip-hop DJ. So I'm the first person to play hip-hop in the north of Haiti.
So you started DJing at what age?
Probably like 11 years old.
Damn.
And the first person to play hip hop. So I'm running Wu-Tang.
You think you ever go back to that? DJing?
Probably not, but I liked it. I felt like it contributed a lot of love to like the artistry.
M'a réfléchi, ouais, c'est m'apprendre.
DJ?
DJ.
Il y a un vibe là-dedans tout, il do.
Ouais, c'est exactement ça. Parce que je pense que là, as a producer, as a songwriter, I feel like DJing gives you something else.
Yeah.
Because when you l'op DJ ou jouer toute qualité musique, faut apprendre li public là, faut apprendre jouer vibe pop, faut apprendre risquer, faut apprendre this and that. I feel like it gives something extra and I want to feel that.
You ever tried it?
Never.
Nah, it could be dope.
Et chaque fois que je regarde moun k'ap DJ, me senti difficile à mort, mais si me kon faire musique, me kon produce, me senti que faut ta ka faire tout.
Ouais.
So par contre
M'quel tap pussy pour me, but I'm more like an old school hip hop DJ. Like I like that hard stuff back in the day. So it's like I'm on that woo, I'm on that big, I'm on everything hard. You know what I mean?
Mika,
That's my brother right there.
Big up Mika.
Rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Mbaka,
Big love for Mika, bro. Big love for Mika.
You guys are pretty much the same age, or like what was the difference? Mika ten go for moi parce que
we probably almost the same age. I think he might have been a year or two older than me.
Okay.
Yeah, but I love Mika.
Like,
bro, I seen Mika. I gotta say, I'm a big fan of Mika. From my favorite song from Mika is the Christmas one.
Yeah, he has a lot of.
Yo, no man, put me here. Like music sa, empawon moun ka pres. Yeah, sa tan raje pou men.